Welcome back to another Maybelline LemonadeCraze Look. I'm really loving this palette. Just like the L'Oreal one, we're going to continue on with the looks on the back. We're going to be priming our eyes with the Milani Eyeshadow Primer. And we're going to pick up a shadow shield and place that under the eye to catch all the fallout. These shadows are a bit powdery, but they're good quality. We're going to be working on look number 2 on the back of the packaging, Pink Lemonade. This has been so far my favorite look that I've done with the palette. I've used it 3 times. We're going to be picking up Berry Ice and applying that from the lid to the brow bone area, and that's going to be like our base. This step is not mentioned on the back of the packaging, but I'm going to take Sunny's and a bit of Main Squeeze and apply that to the brow bone as my highlight. I like that combination. Next, we're going to be picking up Old Fashioned, and this is the color they want you to use in your crease. So we're just going to be windshield wipering that in the crease and transition area and really buff that shade in. I think the shade is a very nice. It is blendable and it is very buildable at the same time. I really love this shade. And yes, we have our crease done. And next we're going to be taking Ice Pop, which is a very pigmented hot pink shade for a palette like this. Look at it build. It's so nice. I did not use a secondary base this time. I wanted to see what the color would do on its own. Now, following the steps on the back, they want you to do this step first. So that's why I did not fill in the inner corner area first, like I normally would in my eyeshadow steps. But we're going to follow theirs, and we're also applying that to the lower lash line, which they do not state to do on the packaging. I just felt like doing it. Next up, we're taking Strawberry Lemonade, and this is the shade they want you to apply in the inner corner and on the first half of the lid. So pretty. Such a beautiful shimmery shade, and we're going to apply that, and then we're going to overlap the Ice Pop and the Strawberry Lemonade shade. We're going to begin to blend in a moment. We're going to blend down the edges of the look in the crease, and then we're going to take Ice Pop and Strawberry Lemonade and alternate them over top of each other, dragging them, kind of blending them together to create a seamless appearance, because one is matte and one is a very shimmery metallic-y kind of shade. Removing the shadow shield, and as you can see, it caught quite a bit of fallout. I'm using the Milani Stay Put eyeliner to tightline with and dragging it only halfway into the lower lash line. And we're using the Maybelline Big Shot Mascara for our lashes. I just love the length and volume this mascara gives my lashes. And that is the finished eyes. Now for lips, I am going in with the Maybelline number 920 Nude Lust lipstick because I love it so much. But today we're going to do a different lip as well. So I'm going to be taking the Broadway True Matte Lipstick in Lemon Pie. Don't you just love the name of that? It's a super bright hot pink bold lip. I think it looks great with this makeup look though. I'm loving this pink lemonade look, and I used the LaColors setting spray to set my makeup to last all day long. And here's the completed final finished look. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial, found it helpful like always. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, ring the bell so you don't miss any other upcoming makeup tutorials.